Alright everybody, Tuesday, November 24th.
On our way to Cabo.
Going to Cabo, super stoked. Got my beautiful mom taking us to the airport. And we're on our way.
On our way! Thank you.
Thank you.
In approximately 20 minutes. Cloudy conditions and temperature 79 degrees.
Hi, good morning everybody. This morning's our first morning here. Super beautiful outside. Yeah, we have a lot of stuff going today. We're gonna try to go out to the arch and maybe do some rock jumping, but right now we're gonna go ride some camels and some razors, which are like 2-seater ATVs. We kind of don't know what we're doing. We're just gonna get picked up in a car and just kind of go and see what we're in for. All right, we're all signed up for our tour, ready to go. We got some sick razors. Very good. Listo, mi hermano. All right, good morning everyone. We're walking around Cabo San Lucas getting offered all kinds of things. What do you think about all the things we're getting offered? Mota?
Every single one, like it's almost free.
Almost free.
For you? For you?
Almost free.
Almost free.
So, a lot of nice boats out here. Super insane. It's pretty dead, honestly, because of the COVID. There's not a lot of people in Cabo. So we're just kind of cruising. Everyone's offering us everything on the map. Everything that you could ever want, we're getting offered.
You look sober, guys.
Haha.
Mira, happy hour is gonna be 2 for 7, margaritas, piñas coladas,
2 for
mojitos,
7.
daiquiris,
2 for
tequila
7.
sunrise.
I think we're gonna have to take up that 2 for
I
7.
think you sold us.
All right.
Let's go.
We're also drinking a little bit, so this might be a little booze cruise through Cabo. Oh, look at that.
Oh, this is so nice. What more could you want?
What do you think about this little spot?
I love it.
2 for 7 drinks? I mean, come on. Yeah, the people here are super, super nice. We're kind of just cruising around, checking it out. Hopefully gonna buy some cool little knickknacks and trinkets to bring home to the fam.
Cheers, everybody!
Cheers.
My chair's falling
Perfecto.
down.
We're finding ourselves deep in these markets here. There's locals are making some really cool stuff. All kinds of ivory and stuff like that.
Discount.
She gets a discount because she's pretty. I don't get a discount because I'm not. We're gonna keep walking.
We cover wax.
Oh
We
wow.
cover the wax, see, like that. See?
And you
Like
put the
that.
beads over it.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so cool. You made all this?
Yeah.
Wow. You're talented.
Keep the machine.
Hold up. This place is massive, baby. Oh my god. Keep calm, you're on the fun side of Trump's wall. Oh, we know it, baby. We're having tons of fun.
Okay, okay.
Is that right? Okay,
Yeah.
babe.
Alright, we got our sick life jackets on. We're gonna go out to Lovers Beach, check it out. Hopefully
Safety
jump off some
first.
rocks, but yeah, life jackets are super awesome. Matches my skin maybe, I don't know.
Maybe it's cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight, cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep Looking back, don't wanna forget ya. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. Oh, don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind. Dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
All right, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We're on our way to La Paz, which is about a 2-hour drive, but we're going to swim with whale sharks this morning. It's gonna be super fun.
Yeah, we've been trying to do this the whole trip, and we're on like our last 2 days right now. So
Yeah, it's gonna be
fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. It's about a 2-hour drive, but it is the whale shark season, so I think we're gonna see some whale sharks this morning. Super excited, ready to go. Things are a little bit weird. Everything's super regulated. We have to wear either a life jacket or a wetsuit. And we're not allowed to dive down, obviously not touch them, but yeah, this should be very interesting. we're all like, huh? What are your thoughts about this one, babe? We're both kind of like, what is going on
very,
here? It's
like,
not as
It's
advertised,
not. Yeah,
but
it's not.
hopefully we get to see
not
one.
what we
That's all we really
expected.
care.
Once they get us clearance to get in, we have 2 hours
Oh,
to find, to swim, all over.
Alright, we're leaving La Paz. Such an awesome day.
The whale shark encounter was worth every penny. 10 out of 10 recommend. Out of all the things I've done in Cabo, by far the best.
Yeah, La Paz was awesome. Just got some sick pics of the cops, and we're on our way out. Thank you, La Paz.